Hey art friends, today we're doing something really cool. We get to talk about one of my favorite things Google does every single year. It's called Doodle for Google, and I've always thought it was the coolest idea ever.
Yeah, this project is awesome, and if you're a kid who gets selected and featured on Google's homepage, it's a big honor.
The theme this year is My Superpower Is. And this isn't about flying or shooting lasers, even though that would be awesome. It's about the things that make you special. Your superpower could be making people laugh, being a good friend, solving problems, creating cool art, or helping others.
And when you make your doodle, you also write a little description that explains your superpower. And parents can help younger kids with that part.
So let's talk about the prizes because they're really big. There will be 5 finalists, and each one gets a $10,000 college scholarship. That's pretty big.
That is really big.
Also, their artwork is displayed on Google, and they also get a special Google technology package.
And then on top of that, there's one national winner who gets an extra $45,000 for college, plus a $50,000 technology package for their school or community.
The prize is seriously huge, and the winners get announced in May, and their art gets shown to the whole country. It's an amazing recognition for young artists.
So if you want to enter, here's how it works.
Step 1.
Go to doodles.google.com/D4G.
And print the entry form.
Step 2.
Create your doodle. You can draw, paint, or use collage or even digital art, but you need to include the Google letters in your design.
Step 3.
And fill out that form. Parents or guardians need to sign it. Upload it online or mail it in. And you have to send everything in by December 10th at 8 p.m. Pacific time. So don't wait, that's really coming up soon.
The contest is open to all US students from kindergarten through 12th grade. So parents and teachers, this can be a great after-school project.
You can even draw together and talk about your kids' superpowers.
Google also has free educator resources on their website. And when you're finished with your entry, share what your superpower is.
Yeah, we would love to hear how you're bringing creativity to your school, your family, and your community. So download the form, start doodling, and make something you're proud of. And remember, your drawing doesn't have to look like anyone else's. Have fun and be yourself.
Your superpower might inspire someone else and maybe even end up on Google's homepage.
We can't wait to see what you create. Keep drawing, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.